Hey there, in this video I will teach you how you can download Indiana Jones and the Great Circle on your Windows PC. So step 1, open a browser, any browser you want. I'm using Google Chrome, and from here search for Steam. And once you have the results, go for the first one. And now this is Steam. What you have to do is press the install Steam button and again install Steam. It takes a time. Now download Steam on your device. Alright, so let's open Steam. So what you have to do is install Steam in our device. So just double click Steam. Now this will pop up. Alright, so press next, choose your preferred language, and then next choose your location where you want Steam to be installed. So by default it will be C. So if you want to change, then press browse and change the default location to somewhere else. All right, so this is very simple. I think you get it. And then press the install button. So I have not pressed the install button because I have already installed Steam on my device. So once you have installed Steam, you just have to create a Steam account for the first time. All right, it's just creating a Facebook account. So just double click Steam and it will ask you to create an account. Just create an account, and this is how Steam looks like. So once you have created a Steam account and once you have successfully done everything, you are going to visit this page, and from the store, tap store, and you will find a search box here. Search for Indiana Jones, and so yeah, as you can see, we have the result, Indiana Jones and Great Circle. So just tap here. Now this is the game. You can see the trailer, you can see the pictures, and you can see the different versions of the game. So it's premium edition, digital premium. So you choose the one you want. So I'm going for the normal one, the stock one. You can choose anything you want. So just tap here, then it will ask you to pay for this game. All right, so basically this game is not free. So what you have to do, just press the continue to payment. Once you have paid for the game, once you have done the payment, once you have completed the payment, your game will be reflected in the library. So as you can see this library here, your game will be reflected somewhere here. You need to just press the game, and there will be an install button like this. Just tap this button and that's it. Your game will be installed and you will be able to play Indiana Jones and a Great Circle on your Windows computer. Thanks for watching and have a great day.